All right, my friends, good morning. We have 3 very important things to do today. Let's get started. We're just going to sing our Days of the Week song in English today. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Perfect. So the first thing we got to do, we're going to check our work from yesterday. The next thing we got to do, we're going to look at today's calendar card. And then finally, I need your help putting some pages in order, which sounds kind of silly, but I know that you guys can help me do it. We've been working on it together for so long. I figure it'll go faster if we just do it together. Is that okay? Cool. So if you remember yesterday, I left you with this nifty little equation to fill in. We had how many circles in this last rectangle? Just the one, correct? And then we have 1 plus, and then we fill in how many are missing. So I'm going to draw little orange X's on how many are missing. We have 1 missing, 2 missing, 3 missing, and 4 missing. So I'm going to draw 1 plus 4 so that my equation says 1 plus 4 equals 5. O 1 más 4 es igual a 5. Is that what you guys have? Because if that's what you have, you are right. Let's do, can we do a money clap? Great work. I'm so proud of you guys as always. So the next thing we're gonna do is look at today's calendar piece. So looking at what we've had before, if yesterday's was purple, today's will be what color? And if yesterday was number 13, what number will today be? Did you say 14? Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is the easiest card in the world. First of all, is this a cat or a dog? It's a cat. And 2 plus 2 equals, you guys, this is the same thing we've been doing when we go double. Can you go double? Yeah. When we double, we have the double of 2 right here. And that makes the number, let's count our fingers. I don't want to put that in my mouth. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Rock on. We did it. We did it. Spin around in a circle because we did it. And now pat your head. And now rub your tummy. Can you pat your head and rub your tummy at the same time? It's kind of hard. Okay. So the thing I need your help with, getting this in order, sorry I'm in such a rush today. I found my little things of all of our 10s to get to 50 from our chart. Our chart got all out of order, and I was thinking the first step to help me put it back together would be putting the 10s in order. Remember, a 10 is any number that has a digit in the ones place, or in the tens place, and then has no additional digits in the ones. So a 1 and a 0 is 10. A 4 and a 0, that means 4 tens and 0 ones. That means 40, exactly. So I've got 10s through 50, and I thought we could tape them up on my little board together. I'm thinking, let me show you what we have. We've got 40 is an option. 30 is an option. 50 is an option. 20 is an option. I don't have any other fingers, sorry guys. And 10 is an option. So we've got 30, 40, 10, 20, 50. That doesn't sound right. I know we know how to count 250 by 10s. Can we do that really quick together? Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Thanks, guys. So I'm thinking sometimes the easiest thing for me is to get rid of the first and the last one. So when we're counting up by 10s, the first one that we have is just 110, right? And 110 is just 10. So I'm going to stick that there. And the last number we're trying to count, 2, so we did 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is 50. So I'm going to grab my 50. I know 50 is 50 because it has 5 10s. There's a 5 in this handy dandy tens place, and there are 0 ones. So I've got 50 there. So it looks like my last three are going to be 20, 40, and 30. I need help with some strategies we could use to figure out which one goes next. Oops. How do we know? We could practice just saying it out loud. We could go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and put them in order that way. Like sometimes when I'm trying to remember the order of the letters in the alphabet, it helps me just to sing the A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And when I'm thinking, does D come before or after E? I'll go A, B, C, D, E. D comes before E. So we could do that to get our next one. Excuse me. Sorry, there's a dog outside. We could go 10, 20. So I'm going to go ahead and put up my 20. And then it looks like our last question is, should 30 or 40 be the next number? 30 and 40. You guys remember, when we're counting up this way, we're just looking at how many tens. We have 1 10, 2 tens. What comes after 2? 3. So we want the one with 3 tens, or 30. And then the one with 4 tens, or 40. And finally, 50. That was kind of hard. I know that's a lot of brain power for us right now, and we'll keep practicing this strategy so that we can put our tens in orders. And I know sometimes when Ms. Steiner says 20 is 2 tens and 0 ones, I know that can be confusing. That's because we're really doing a stretch right now, okay? So we're going to keep working on it, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Have a great afternoon.